I saw another.
Here we go.
Another airplane.
Another airplane.
Another airplane.
There it is. We're gonna land. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 0. Touchdown! Yay! Look, the wing opened up. See the wing open? Whoa, cool, huh? Oh. I don't get all excited. Is that exciting? Is that exciting? Oh, down. We're home. Look at the plane go up in the air.
We almost home.
See the airplane over there?
Yeah.
Whoa, look at the airplane take off.
Yeah.
This weather doesn't look so bad. You see the airplane over there?
Almost there.
We're almost there. Ooh, look at Mount Rainier reaching up to the sky. You see that? Look at Mount Rainier. Whoa, how big. We landed. What do you think, Tammy? Is that special? Ooh, look at that big airplane over there. See the big airplane out there?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Seattle. The local time is about 1:15. Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until complete final stop, and the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. At that time, check around your immediate seating area and the overhead bins for all of
See the airplane, you want to show you?
you
See
brought
it?
on board. Use caution
the airplane?
in opening the overhead bins.
Taking off.
Items may have shifted.
Watch. Ooh, there's another airplane right there.
Please keep your carry-on stowed until we're parked at the gate.
Look, Tammy, airplane's taking off.
Not on your lap. If your cell phone is on your person, you're free to use it at this time.
There goes the airplane
On
taking
behalf
off.
of the captain, his first officer, as well as the 3 of us serving you in the cabin, it's certainly been our pleasure. We look forward to
Look, here comes the
seeing you
airplane.
soon on another Alaska Airlines
Airplane's gonna
flight.
land right here. Look.
For future plans, call for air travel, visit us online at alaskaair.com.
You see the airplane? Here we go. Gonna land. Whoa, Cam, airplane's taking off right in front of us. Whoa. Another one is landing right in front of us. Look at the airplane over there.